Hello, good evening to all. Welcome to the Botanical Pen Illustration session. Today I'll be giving a demo session about Botanical Pen Illustration. This is an art form in which we use only fine liners. It is a monocolor where we use only black color. Basically, this art form started by our botanist and scientist who, instead of taking pictures or anything, colored pictures, they used to draw figures of all the plant species. Artists got inspired with them, and now all our artists are trying to take this art form into the art field. So today I'll be showing you how we can create beautiful things out of this art form. So here are few examples. You can see you can make bookmarks out of it. See, it's not only that you can make flowers, anything related to botany, means different flowers, plants, different types of trees you can make. This way you can create bookmarks, beautiful bookmarks, or you can use it in your calligraphy. It can work here. You can write a quote, you can make beautiful frames out of it, and even you can give a colored background so that your black mono color can get highlighted. See here, this way you can also use your. So today I will be explaining you how we can draw this. This is a cauliflower. Okay, we will be drawing a bookmark. The material that is required is pencil, micro pens. These are micro pens, fine liners. You can use any brand. You can use Brustro, Artline, any fine liners you have. If you are not having any fine liner, you can use a black pen, because this art form is generally done with a black pen. So before starting, I would like you to draw the margin of whatever material you are using, and the paper should be more than 200 GSM, a good quality drawing paper, so that your ink doesn't bleed or you don't scratch any paper. Don't take a very light thin paper. Here I am making margin. I have created a margin. Now this flower is cauliflower. It's a very beautiful and a simple to do flower. First you can take a pencil and sketch out. If you are good at sketching, you can straight away start with the pen. I would have also started with pen, but I will be showing you how step by step you can do this bookmark. So first you will be forming this shape. A petal shape like this. For the stem, in this part of the flower, you will be forming a petal shape like this. And now for the petals, these are the petals of cornflower. How you will form these petals? It's a very simple. Mark an arc like this, take a turn and form this way. Means there is no definite shape that you have to take. The only thing is it should be a bit elongated like this, as I'm showing here. Now you can create petals in the same pattern. This is the basic shape of the petal. This is the basic shape of the petal. You can use this petal like this. Again, form it. The petals are downward. It's not upward like this, the way I've shown. It's hanging down. Okay. So this way you can create petals. The petals should be like this.